Next is the philosopher is the applied ethics. You see 2025 paper. This is the syllabus which I am giving from 2023 when I taught for this. This is going to be 5th batch. This is the same thing. Last year also I taught. And if you see one thing, if you want the UPSC questions in the syllabus, please go to the UPSC website. Then here, go to the examination. Here, everything you will get that the previous year question papers. These are the Indian Forest Service this year paper already uploaded. This is a CSE paper. These are optionals, and these are the GS. And now let's see GS4 paper. If you see GS4 paper, see the topic constitutional morality, and see the syllabus. The first topic I covered was constitutional morality. Those who have covered my class, previous class, they know this is the topic. It will be there in their notes. Constitutional morality. Now, second C. Next question. See this. War is a diplomacy by other means. Critically analyze the above statement in the present context of contemporary geopolitics. Basically, this question is on war ethics. Now, see this, the second topic. Third topic, war ethics. Third. See this. This is on the ethical dilemma related to controversies, environmental clearance and development. It's nothing but environmental ethics. Now the question is here, sir is claiming that question came from his note. No, it's not. I'm not claiming it. It's a, you can say the, but it's also not coincidence. It is strategic. Why? Because from last 2 years we are hearing war, war and war. Starting from this Russia-Ukraine war, then this Palestine-Israel conflict. So it was expected. You can expect that the question, what is the ethical issues are involved in the war? They can ask. Similarly, constitutional morality was the previous year question also. Previously they have asked, but in GS2. Since morality word is there, I found it is more relevant in the ethics. And this year they asked on the ethics. And environment, because of the Nicobar project, Andaman Nicobar project, yesterday also we discussed. Because of that, that was highly predictable. That development and environment conflict, how will you resolve? So the point here is that even if you are preparing by yourself, be aware about what is happening. Social media, now the deep fake, AI, voice cloning. These are the emerging issues. And how ethics is involved in these things.